And what I've decided to do today is something a little bit different to what we usually do, and we're going to show you guys a vlog that we did last Christmas, which we decided to build snowmen and all that good stuff. So we're going to show you that now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's on now. Oh, you missed it. What was that? Oh, score. What we're doing now, just filling in, making it smooth. Okay. I'm just going to smooth it out. Where's he gone? All the way over there. He's over there. Right there. Well, that was high. That was a rubbish snowball. The game's on now, bro. Oh, I missed because he moved. Oh, if you'd stayed there like 30 seconds earlier. Look at us both. What was that? You're putting women to shame. Oh, right, it's no, Sandra, that was just an unlucky shot. So what we're going to do now, Rebecca's got a baseball bat and I'm going to throw some snowballs at the baseball bat. I'm going to see if it'll actually go anywhere or if it'll just go into a million pieces. Ready? No, why? He's been a little monkey. Right, one more, ready? And then that's it. One last one. Ready? No! Satchel, no! What are you doing? Just... He's just put snow down my trousers! That's so cold! Oh, it wasn't compact enough.
I can't make compact one.
Put it against your foot then, like that.
Oh, it's gonna be a dirty
Watch. Go. Let's get ready to rumble!
Let's get ready,
You ready? Let's get ready to rumble!
Watch us wreck the mic.
Woo!
Watch
Nice
us
and over.
Watch us wreck the mic.
Ready?
A toast to everyone who said we won't make it out. Oh, ye of little hope. We at the party, the life of the party. Now we bump glass. Now we bump glass.
Now, screams getting heavy, cause it seems unpreventable. Evidently you saw us struck right into my distress signal. Confidence causing the glass around me to rupture. Having an nemesis struck in my night, suddenly looking in the eyes of Heath Ledger. You should compose it, the flesh and the balance of a sparring, but probably substantial without my ingenuity's well sharpened. But now
Right in the eye. Oh, that really hurt. Oh, look at a dope. Look at a dope snowman. Say hello to Mr. Snowman. That's his dog. Say bye. I hope you liked that video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell us in the comments if you enjoyed it and what was the best bits you enjoyed. Also subscribe to see more uploads of when we do upload, and yeah, that's all for now. Bip bip.